How to filter team features in Azure DevOps. Kendis provides options to filter features for each team. It's particularly useful when you're switching to the team area and you want to focus on features related to a selected team. There is a team filter available under the More Filters option. When you select a team from this filter, it will list all the features that are planned for this team. This option is useful once you have completed the planning because Kendis will consider that a feature is planned for a team when the feature card is present in at least one of the sprints for that team. However, in the event that you would like to filter the features before or during the PI planning stage, you can use the Area Path Filter option and select your team area path. The features that are related to a particular area path will now be visible in the list. Now, when you switch to the team area, you can continue planning the stories related to these features simply by dragging and dropping them onto the relevant sprints.